Hey guys, this is Danish from TWD. Alright, so let's do the outlook for the next week, coming week. So this is our weekly chart. Alright, so price close here after sweeping the previous week low, and most important thing is the next coming week is totally dependent on expansion. So next week I will looking for the expansion on this higher high on BSL, buy side liquidity, and what to, so this is also clear. I was expecting this area, but price did not come here, so price left this premium discount PD area for the tap in later days. Alright, so we need this one. Okay. So this was our previous week high. Price tap here and higher high. If we go to the forward time frame, actually price distribution was too choppy, so most probably is that price could tap here on this area, last high. So expecting like this. Okay. One minute. This is a 4-hour time candle line is here. This is a FVG area, so I am expecting this look like this on DXY. Price should tap here, then continue higher high to this area. First target over 105.50, and then later is this target. So expecting this area that price should tap in this area on Monday. So we will look for the long on DXY and vice versa, short EURUSD and GBPUSD. So look at this area. So this is a daily FEG. Price can tap here, and then we will look for the long on DXY. Alright, so let's see what EURUSD. Actually there was a major SMT on EURUSD. I already updated on in my premium, so I was bullish and we cashed 2% on our Monday long. I will show you how I executed that trade. So I was expecting rejection from this area, but price did not tap here, so most probably is that like next candle is look like this. We will go there and then down, then price come back here in later days after 1 or 2 months, then tap here and then start again down. So if we go to the daily time frame, alright, so I was expecting this buy side liquidity, but price did SMT here. I will show you this SMT with Euro future. Okay, 6E actually. Okay, so there are also smaller FAG on this EURUSD. Okay, so so this is actual plan. Forward. So this was a trend line, actually price bound in a range. Okay, so let me show you SMT. So SMT with E60 future contract, EURUSD price swap this area, buy side liquidity. So we long from here actually on Thursday. We long here, but price rejected. So most probably the plan was changed, or we were looking bullish, but actually this happened at like that. We were looking for long from this area. I already posted a reel on Instagram and TikTok that we will look for the buy side, but price did at SMT, so there was a clear SMT for the short, so we avoided, and I took a short but closed in 0.25% minus because unexpected was move. So this was the actual move. We shorted here, but stop loss saved by some points, but we close here. So our plan. So this is the plan for the price should come here and start falling. So this is a plan for the coming week, and expected is like that we should make high Tuesday of this week. Tuesday may be the high of the week, and we will look for the classic sell model of the incoming week. All right, so this is a EURUSD plan for the coming week. And if we go to the GBPUSD, so GBPUSD near the dole, so most expected that we will take out this dole first. And if we go to the daily time frame, okay, I was waiting for this area, but price did not appear. So previous week I sweep, and then target is a low, price is coming down. Okay, so if we go to the forward time frame, one second, we miss here FEG. So price should sweep this area and come here, and this is actual dole. So this is a GBPUSD plan. And if we go to the gold, what we are looking on gold, so nice closing. It's look like that we are going for a higher high. So maybe we are going for high on one more time, look like this. So if another candle close here above this area, so I will look for the long for this area 49.22, and if this FEG inverts by, then I will look for the short actually. Okay, so there are the two FEG. Price maybe drop from this area and maybe this area. If both FEGs failed and become inversion, then we will look for the more long. So this was a gold plan. Thank you very much.